Another day, another story. Introduction. John C. Bogle was an American investor, businessman, and philanthropist. He is widely regarded as one of the most influential figures in the history of finance and investing. Bogle is best known as the founder of the Vanguard Group, a mutual fund company that revolutionized the way individual investors approach the stock market. Over the course of his career, Bogle was a passionate advocate for the importance of long-term investing, low-cost investing, and investor education. He was a tireless champion of the individual investor and worked tirelessly to promote financial literacy and protect the rights of small investors. Today, his legacy continues to inspire millions of people around the world to take control of their financial futures and build a better future for themselves and their families. Early life. John C. Bogle was born in 1929 in Montclair, New Jersey. He grew up in a middle-class family and was raised with strong values and a sense of responsibility towards the community. Bogle's father was a successful businessman who instilled in him the importance of hard work and determination. Bogle attended Blair Academy, a boarding school in New Jersey, and later Princeton University, where he studied economics. After graduation, he began his career in the mutual fund industry at Wellington Management Company. He quickly rose through the ranks and became a partner in the firm. However, Bogle was not content with the way the mutual fund industry was operating and saw the need for a change. He believed that mutual funds were not serving the best interests of the individual investors, but were instead focused on maximizing profits for the fund managers and the firms. This belief led Bogle to establish the Vanguard Group in 1974, with the goal of providing low-cost, transparent, and ethical investment options for individual investors. Under Bogle's leadership, Vanguard became one of the largest and most successful mutual fund companies in the world. Bogle's early life experiences, combined with his passion for finance and commitment to individual investors, shaped his career and established him as a visionary and leader in the industry. Career. John C. Bogle's career in the finance industry spanned several decades and was marked by his advocacy for low-cost and ethical investing. After graduating from Princeton University, Bogle began his career in the finance industry as an analyst and later as a portfolio manager. In 1974, he founded the investment management firm Vanguard Group, with the aim of making investment opportunities available to the average investor. Bogle believed that high fees and conflicting interests between fund managers and investors were detrimental to long-term investment success. He introduced the first index fund, which tracks a market index instead of being actively managed, and this changed the way people invest. Throughout his career, Bogle was known for his passionate stance on the importance of ethical investment practices, and he spoke out against what he saw as the excesses of the financial industry. He wrote several books, including Common Sense on Mutual Funds and the Little Book of Common Sense Investing, which promoted his views on investing and finance. Bogle continued to work in the industry until his death in 2019, leaving behind a legacy of advocating for the rights of the average investor and promoting low-cost and ethical investing practices. Investing strategy. John C. Bogle's investment philosophy, known as Bogleheads, emphasized low-cost, passive investing and diversification through index funds. He believed in avoiding high fees and market timing, instead advocating for long-term investing and sticking to a well-designed, diversified portfolio. Bogle also stressed the importance of keeping emotions out of investing decisions and staying disciplined. Impact on financial industry. John C. Bogle, widely known as the founder of Vanguard Group, had a significant impact on the financial industry. Bogle believed in the principles of low-cost, passive investing and advocated for the average investor to have access to affordable investment options. He was a vocal critic of the mutual fund industry, which he saw as being driven by profit rather than serving the best interests of its investors. Bogle introduced the first index fund for individual investors, which aimed to track the performance of a broad stock market index, rather than attempting to beat the market through active management. This concept was innovative and challenged the prevailing wisdom that active management was necessary for successful investing. Today, index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are widely accepted as a low-cost, effective way for individuals to invest in the stock market. In addition to his work at Vanguard, Bogle was a strong advocate for financial education and consumer protection. He wrote several books on personal finance and investing, and spoke out on a variety of financial issues, including the need for greater transparency and accountability in the financial industry. Bogle's impact on the financial industry continues to be felt, as many investors embrace his philosophy of low-cost, passive investing and prioritize transparency and simplicity in their investments. He will always be remembered as a pioneer in the industry and a champion of the average investor. A look at Vanguard Group present. The Vanguard Group is one of the largest investment management companies in the world. As of 2023, it manages over $7.2 trillion in assets, serving over 30 million investors globally. Over the past few years, Vanguard has continued to grow its business, expanding into new markets and launching new products. Later career. John C. Bogle continued to work in the financial industry for many years after founding Vanguard Group. He served as the CEO of the company from its founding in 1975 until 1996, when he stepped down from his role as CEO but continued to serve as chairman of the board of directors. Bogle's later career was also marked by a number of significant achievements, including the launch of the first index mutual fund, which he is credited with popularizing, and the establishment of the Bogle Financial Markets Research Center, which he founded in 2000. In addition, Bogle continued to write and speak on a wide range of topics related to finance and investing, sharing his insights and experiences with a wide audience through books, articles, and speaking engagements. Overall, John C. Bogle's later career was a testament to his lifelong commitment to promoting the principles of low-cost, passive investing and helping individuals achieve financial security through informed and responsible investment decisions. Conclusion. John C. Bogle is widely regarded as a pioneer and visionary in the world of finance. Throughout his life and career, he challenged the status quo, questioned conventional wisdom, and fought for the rights of individual investors. His passion for transparency, simplicity, and ethics has inspired countless people and helped to create a more fair and equitable financial system. He will always be remembered as a champion of the small investor and a true innovator in the financial industry. His legacy will continue to influence and inspire future generations, as he remains one of the most important figures in the history of finance. I appreciate you for watching this video. If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.